There's Dave. He's going to fly his brother-in-law's Super 60, isn't it?
Yeah,
Super 60.
Ben Buckle.
Ben Buckle 1. His brother-in-law lives in, was it Somerset? Where the cider apples grows.
West Contop's Head, where the Richmond.
It's such a modern aeroplane, you find it on 35 megs, didn't you?
Yes, yes, that's why you have to pull the fishing.
Fishing rod out.
I thought it was of the time.
Yeah.
Could do a bit more aileron movement.
Yeah.
Yeah, first.
Well, the original ones didn't happen, did they?
No.
Oops. Make a good trainer, don't he?
Yeah, see, that's full aileron.
Oh. Oh, fair enough.
Yeah, we'll do it a bit more.
Yeah. Do a very slow roll with it.
Yeah.
If it gets there.
But yeah, I think it's supposed to be a trainer, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Right.
Well done. There you go. What is it, Dave?
He lives in Somerset.
Was he your brother-in-law?
Yeah, yeah.
And he lives in Somerset. And somebody's trying to phone me.
Yeah.
Yeah, please, if you don't mind. Oops.
No problem at all. See you. Cheers.
Oh, sorry, Dave.
Oh,
Whoa, whoa, that'll do.
could have been worse.
Yeah. Yeah, that's Electric Dave's brother-in-law's aeroplane who lives down in Somerset.
Yeah,
There you go.
Brian's model.
Brian's model.
Yeah,
And you're flying it with a fishing pole.
flying it with a fishing pole. Thanks, Bob.
Anytime.